This is a Western kingbird, guys. That right there, just a Western kingbird. So these things like live in countries and farmlands. So right now, I don't think birds can see glass. So that's probably why it's right there, trying to get in our house. They can nest around. I think it wants to nest in our...
Go to school, boy. You got a lot of school to do.
While they're here.
Yeah, but I'm recording them right now. I wonder if I get out there for a closer shot.
This is in the middle of a school day, everyone.
Okay, so you see Western kingbird?
Did
Right over there. I can't get too close.
Boga!
Adrian, really? Yeah, we're just in the middle of doing school, and then some little, they like came in and they're there. Let's see how these looks good. They look good. They look fine. Gotta make sure. Let's see. Birds. That was a Western kingbird there.